All right, moments ago, a former YouTube star pleaded guilty to felony child abuse charges. Utah mother Ruby Franke, who once gave parenting advice to millions of people, was arrested after police say her malnourished son escaped their home and ran to a neighbor for help. NBC's Steve Patterson is following this for us. Give us some background on this case. What happened here?
Well, Yasmin, I'll take you to today. Very, very quick, very brief courtroom hearing, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. She's wearing a gray and black pinstripe smock and does what we expected her to do from before all this started, which is to enter a guilty plea for aggravated felony child abuse. She did so for 4 of the 6 counts that she was accused of because per the conditions of the plea deal that she took, 2 of those counts were dismissed and dropped off. But to give more background on this, we knew this was coming only because her attorneys released a statement saying that she would do so, also to include that, she's been in jail since she was arrested back in September for child abuse, for her son escaping a business partner's room with abrasions on his wrists, with duct tape on his extremities, found malnourished and emaciated, and that she was reforming, that she wanted to settle this quickly and focus on her family and take full responsibility for what she did. But also that statement from her law firm essentially threw her business partner under the bus, because what it alleges is that her business partner, Jodi Hildebrandt, somehow brainwashed her, isolated her from her family, used a lot of rhetoric to get her to believe things that weren't true, and that's the reason why she committed the crimes that she did. So the legal analysis, and based on what we know from that statement and the rhetoric involved, is that she will testify against Jodi Hildebrandt, also accused of 6 counts of felony child abuse. Her hearing, Jodi Hildebrandt's, is December 27th, so that's the next upcoming date, and then sentencing for this, February 20th, and she faces 15 years for each count of child abuse, so up to 60 years in prison for this. But it's an interesting twist to see these two sort of going back on each other and what it may mean for the rest of this case.
Yeah, sure is. Steve Patterson, thank you. Appreciate it.